guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can disable the facing pages feature for your document pages on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. Alright guys, so what you want to do is navigate to your document on Affinity, and as you can see I'm viewing my document in a single page view because I disabled the facing pages feature. This is how you can do it for your design or document as well. What you want to do is navigate to document at the top, hover your mouse over setup and choose document setup. Alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-P. After that, here in the document settings, scroll down till you get to the model settings. And what will be required to do here is to turn off the facing pages feature, because as you can see, if I turn it on, that double pages feature or layout here will be applied. So if you want to turn this off, switch it off. Confirm by clicking into OK to apply these changes for your future documents here. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.